Time to go. On the way towards Grand Isle, the only inhabited barrier island in Louisiana. Hello again. So I am driving down about an hour outside New Orleans, still about an hour from the coast. That is just all water. So I'm driving down Highway 1, which is really the only road that goes all the way from one side of Grand Isle to the other, and you can see all the houses on stilts, both sides. You can see the levee on the right. Gulf is that direction. You can see the marsh on the left out this way. And it's just a little sliver of land. That's the highest point elevation is the artificial levee that you can see on the right. If there's any place in Louisiana that's at risk of rising sea levels, an island that's a few feet high, that sounds pretty high risk to me. I am now in Grand Isle State Park. You can see this. Basically, it's on the east end of the island. I'm going to be camping down here. Check it out. Little casa. State Park has this observation tower. There's really not a whole lot to do here at Grand Isle State Park in a place that's so calm and peaceful. And that's what makes it nice. I'm looking forward to reading out here into the sunset. Time to go see the rest of the island. I'm gonna take this baby for a spin, go ride into town for a little bit before sunset, and maybe fly the drone, and then come on back. This beach is way better than the state park beach. I want to camp here. This is actually nice. The sun is setting here on Grand Isle, and I'm still like 3 miles from where my car is and my tent. Every time I stop, it's like freaking pterodactyls attacking me. Oh dang, I was coming here to fly my drone. It actually looks like I stumbled upon what looks like a cemetery. Anyway, I'm not gonna fly my drone down here. But good God, I'm getting eaten alive. All right, I gotta go. I don't know if you can see the sun back there, but oh my God. I would love to stop. The mosquitoes are so bad. And to get to my tent, where I have insect repellent. There's so many birds on this island. This time of year, they usually have Grand Isle's annual bird migration festival. It's usually like the middle of April every year. Because of COVID, they've pushed it to when the birds are migrating south, which is going to be somewhere October, November timeframe. Almost back to my campsite. Sun is down. It's definitely weird being on a beach in Louisiana. Every time I'm ever camping by myself at night, as soon as the sun starts to go down, it's like a switch goes off in my head where I'm just like, yo, what are you doing? But then, like, the thing that makes it fun for me is honestly dealing with the cameras. Stuff like that like occupies my mind. I feel like I'm one of those people that I get really active at night, and so camping is just like, it's hard for me because I can't be active because I'm just claustrophobic inside this cage. Glad I do the things I do, but like, that discomfort while I'm in it is what just it gets me. Tonight's good. Right now is good. I had some discomfort earlier, but I'm feeling good, and hopefully I can get to sleep pretty soon here, and the sun should be coming up in about 8 hours. So. It's 5:45 in the morning. The sun is starting to come up.